Hey guys, it's Raquel and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do this hair tutorial. So if you're interested, please keep watching. We're going to get right into it. So first, the hair already comes separated, but I'm going to separate it one more time in the middle. And just because I want full hair and I'm only using 3 packs of hair because that's all I had, I would recommend 4, but for this one I'm going to be using 3. And you see, like when I separated it, it got a little frazzled at the end. So what I just do is wrap it around my fingers so that the hair goes back to its original curl pattern. And then I took about 2 boxes and I separated them and put them all over my floor just so that it can be very easy for me to access. Alright, so for the braid pattern, all I did was like a part down the middle and then 4 braids on the sides. In the back, I am using this mesh for the back of my hair, and it just has 3 big braids, 3 big duty braids. Yep, I put them in a ponytail and I just make sure that they're all, together. So my camera cut out, but I'm still going to show you guys how, I do the sides. So basically I just start as low as possible. I use this tool right here and I make sure that that little clasp is towards the back when I initially push it through my hair, well, the braid. So I'm going to push it through the braid like this. As you can see, make sure the clasp is down. I'm going to push it through the braid. Yes, follow me on Instagram and Twitter if you have that. I'm going to recoil it with my fingers. Yep, like so, very carefully. We don't want the hair to already look 3 days worn when we put it in, so that's why I like to make sure I do that. And I take it in the center and I just put it through that little loop like so. Right? That can be difficult, but just take your time. And then I close the clasp and I pull it through. When I take the hair out, I make sure the clasp is pointing down because that helps me not knot up the rest of my hair with the fake hair. And then I pull the hair through that loop. I twist that loop and then take one part of the hair and push it through the loop. That's basically all I do. And then you pull it tight, nice and tight and secure. And then you just have it there. You have your little crochet braid. So I'm going to show you on the other side how I did it. I just started as low as I could. I pushed it through my braid again and make sure the clasp is down. Put the hair in the loop from the center. And then you close the clasp. Make sure the hair is in the loop securely. You pull it through. Then what you're going to do is put all of the hair through the loop like so. Twist the loop. And then only take one piece of hair and pull it through and pull tight. And yeah, that's all I do. This is super easy. Anyone can do it, especially during quarantine, guys. Like, we gotta learn how to do our own hair, girl. It's hard out here. But I just want to show you guys how I did it in the back. So I pushed it through that I forgot what you call these things. Oh my god, I'm having such a brain fart, but I'm just gonna call it this mesh. That's what I called it earlier. I cannot remember what I call these things, but yeah, you get them at the not dollar store, at the beauty supply store, but they're closed, so I get it. But I just had one old one laying around, and I just, as you can see if you're watching, I do the same thing in the back that I did in the front. You don't even necessarily have to do it like that. You could just pull all the hair through the loop, twist the loop, and then put the rest of their hair in. But if you still want to separate it, you can. It doesn't really matter. And as you can see, the little mesh was falling off, so I had to fix it back. I'm just going to fast forward through this part because I feel like it's self-explanatory. I'm pushing this tool through the mesh, but it's also going through my hair as well, so it's really secure. And yeah, just make sure you pull it tight. I'm just feeling for where the hair is sparse, and I'm just going to poke a hole in it and do what I need to do. Remember, I'm only working with 3 packs of hair, so I didn't want to have the hair so close together, but I had enough hair to make sure that, it still looked full and stuff. Alright, so I just wanted to show you guys the front as well. I was starting to panic because I was starting to run out of hair. But you know, we still gets it done because that's what we do. I'm doing the same method in the front as well. You know, push it through, pull it tight, like that. To be honest, when I started getting towards that middle part, I was just basically packing the hair closely together, just trying to cover as much of my original hair as possible. This is the only part I wish I had another pack of hair, because I really wanted to just have the middle part there and just a bunch of curls, but you'll see how I kind of finessed it later on in the video. Alright, so this is the finished look. I finished all 3 packs, and of course I'm gonna have to cut it because this looks crazy. I kind of wanted like a heart shape. I literally just freestyled this, so I just wanted to show you guys kind of what I did. I'm just looking for really long parts, and I'm gonna just snip them off so it frames my face a little better. But just be careful with this part. I definitely was getting scissor happy. So yeah, just be super careful. So for the heart shape, I want it kind of like shorter in the front and gradually get longer, kind of like this. But I ended up cutting it a little more short. So yeah, just keep watching. This is how the back looks, super full. This came out actually better than I thought. As you can see, I did cut it a little shorter, but I ended up not liking that part in the middle. So literally all I did was bring some of the hair that was on the side to the front of my face. And then if it was too long and getting into my eyes, I just clipped that as well to form a little bang. And that was it. That's basically it. You can always finesse it like this. So yeah, that's how I got this hairstyle. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay safe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.